This tutorial will help you get familiar with the use of the left navigation box on the Virtual Meeting Discussion dashboard screen in IAR, the Internet Assisted Review module. The blue navigation box plays an important role during the online meeting discussion. To get to the dashboard, log into ERA Commons. Click on Internet Assisted Review on the menu bar of the landing page. The List of Meetings screen will be displayed. Click on View List of Applications link in the Action column. From the View List of Applications screen, click on the Go to Discussion button in the Discussion column, in the same row as the application you wish to discuss. This opens the Virtual Meeting Discussion dashboard screen. The screen is divided into a number of sections. Header, which has application-specific information. The Expandable Meeting Information section. An expandable section to look at review scores, and set review scores. The Comments area where the Scientific Review Officer, SRO, and reviewers post comments. And finally, the blue left navigation box. The blue navigation box travels up and down the page, as the reviewer scrolls up and down on the screen, so it is always in view. The box includes meeting-wide announcements made by the Scientific Review Officer, SRO, and the discussion topics for the review meeting. The counter next to the topic indicates how many unread items remain, compared to the total. A reviewer can click on the topic to see the announcements or messages related to that topic. The navigation box will update when a new comment is posted. The reviewer can click on that topic to view the new comments. A reviewer can click on the double left pointing arrows to collapse the blue navigation box. This will make more screen available for the messages. If the navigation box is collapsed, a green rectangular pop-up window will appear on the upper right side of the screen. This will notify reviewers of any new messages. Clicking on the green box will open up the left navigation box, to show the topics with new messages. Note that if the SRO places the meeting on hold, reviewers will be able to see existing comments. Reviewers can continue to post new comments, and reply to existing posts. When the meeting is resumed, the reviewers' new comments and replies will be available to the other reviewers, and the unread count information will be updated to show the new comments. A number of resources are available to you for a virtual meeting. Help is only a click away. Clicking on any of the question marks on the virtual meeting screens will bring you to the Virtual Meeting Online help for that topic, with step-by-step instructions and screenshots. If you have specific questions about virtual meeting, please contact the ERA Service Desk. This concludes this tutorial on understanding the left navigation box on the Virtual Meeting Discussion dashboard. Thanks for watching.